So these types of wigs, like, look how long this is too. This type of wig is really difficult to get the tangles. This is not a wig I could wear all the time. That's the other thing. If it's with this style, meaning this curly and the length, the long length, this is just something that I have to understand I cannot wear all the time. But a product that would really help this wig is going to be African Essence Control Wig Spray. This is a 3-in-1 formula. It's for human and synthetic hair. And it softens, conditions, provides moisture and sheen. So this is going to hit all the touch points, and I have found this one really works on wigs like this because it's going to hit everything at once. So let's just do the ends, because you can see just a little bit that it's funky doodle and a little bit tangly. So what I like about this is wet. So this is a more liquid sort of situation, and so it is going to wet it a little bit. But just like with natural curly hair, when you wet it all the way, then that curl, do you see that curl starts to come back and rejuvenate a little bit? And that's why I prefer this to, if you can see that, do you see the difference, how this is like, see? So if you are really trying to make sure to, yeah, I think you can, yeah, you can see how this is now more defined. It's not tangled, and this is not that. So this is something that I would suggest for that. I have a full review on this. I don't have the price on this. I'm pretty sure this is 12 ounces. I definitely paid under $15 for this, and it smells so good. Ugh. Like, for real.